video is about replacing a pressure relief valve on your camper. Well, as you can see, it's kind of a tight situation to have to try to get in there with a pipe wrench or crescent wrench. So having the right tool makes a difference. So that's what we're focusing on today, is having the right tool to take this out and to replace it with a new one. Okay, what you do is you go to your RV place and you buy what they call a pressure relief valve tool. And this is what it looks like. It goes straight on your pressure relief valve. Then you take a socket set that fits the end of the pressure relief valve tool, and that would be a 7/8 socket. So once you get that in place, then you take your 7/8 socket, put it on the end of your tool, and you just start ratcheting, and it comes right out, or it will go right in. So having the right tool to take out the pressure relief valve is a must.